One team's dashboard says revenue is 633K, another says, look, it's 362, and here is the daily breakdown. Same metric, different numbers. It's the fastest way to lose trust in reports and slow every decision your team needs to make. The problem? Different data sources, different queries, different logic, different results. And now, management is not acting on numbers, they are debating them. OWOX Data Marts solve this by letting you define each metric once. Data analysts set the rules, set the definition, set the description, and business-friendly aliases for the names, all within one governed central place, and reuse those data marts as reports across every dashboard, across all BI tools, Google Sheets, Excel, Power BI, Looker Studio, and much more. Then, just schedule automated delivery so business users get the freedom to explore the results. Everyone works using the same trusted data. When revenue is defined in OWOX Data Marts, it's calculated the same way whether you are looking at a pivot table in Google Sheets or a funnel view in Looker Studio. No copy-paste SQL, just one definition shared across all teams and BI tools. And if you need to change the value, calculation, or add a global filter, you just do that in one place, and it's going to be reflected across all reports. Stop wondering which report is right. Start moving faster with one source of truth your whole company will trust. Get started with OWOX Data Marts free today.